Victorian health authorities are working to determine how the more infectious Delta coronavirus variant escaped hotel quarantine. Acting Premier James Merlino confirmed the strain has been linked to a man who arrived in Melbourne from Sri Lanka on the 8th of May and tested positive on the same day. It's the 6th time the virus has escaped one of the state's quarantine hotels and the 22nd time nationwide. The boss of the Novotel Ibis, where the man was kept, was sacked in late April over more than 50 breaches, including 15 infection control violations. Contact tracers are still trying to find the missing link between the returned traveller and the family who initially sparked the West Melbourne cluster. But despite concerns about the mystery source of the outbreak, officials maintain the city will be freed from lockdown on Friday.
Yeah, we want to provide as much comfort and certainty as is possible, and that'll be based, as always, on our public health advice. But I want to reassure all Victorians we are on track. We remain on track to have some easing of restrictions announced this week.
The state government and health officials have held positive late-night talks about what life will look like under a new restriction regime. Residents will reportedly be confined to travelling within 25 k's of their homes. Public outdoor gatherings will be restricted to 10 people. Cafes and restaurants will be capped to 50 customers. Gyms will remain closed and masks will be mandatory indoors. There will also be density limits in offices, but students are expected to return to the classroom.